In this video, I am taking up two different maladies, both a part of the locomotor system of the body. Myasthenia gravis is a chronic condition in which muscles all over the body tire soon with activity. It is a rare condition. Homeopathy provides help, but if it fails, hospitalization may be necessary. You should seek medical advice. The symptoms are the jaw and throat muscles tire so that the patient finds it difficult to eat. The vision deteriorates as the day advances. The lips retract and cause an involuntary smile. In the worst of cases, the muscles controlling breathing are paralyzed. Medication should start with Causticum 1000, one dose every fourth day, and to be continued for a long time. This in the case of abnormal exhaustion of muscles. When there is a weakness of muscles with anemia, there is weakness from mere speaking. Ferrum Met 30 comes in, FeRRUM MET 30. Pallor of skin, of mucous membranes, of face, alternating with flushes. Face is fiery red from least exertion, emotion or pain. There is pain in hip joint, tibia, soles and heel, and the extremities are cold. The next malady that I propose to take is osteomyelitis. It is a bacterial infection of the bone. Normally it affects children or teenagers. There is high fever with shivering, acute pain, swelling in various parts of the body. The first medicine to give is Aconite Nap 30. If there is high fever, cold sweat, the face is ice cold, cold waves pass through the body, there is numbness, restlessness, fear without basis, anguish, shooting pain in extremities, acute and sudden and violent pain. The patient feels chilly if uncovered. In cases of high fever, when the feet are ice cold, there is no thirst. Joints and limbs are swollen, shining with red streaks radiating, shooting pain. Belladonna 200 is of great help. If the patient has fever with full hard pulse, his joints are red, swollen, he has stitching pain, he is chill with external coldness, he is worse on motion, warmth or touch, give him Bryonia 200. In cases of fever with pain in the back, with chill, violent thirst, limbs weak, Natrum Mur 200 comes in. If the patient exudes pus with broken bone pieces in the pus, it's an unusual condition. If the sickness is chronic, it has built up over a period of time. When the healing is retarded, give Silicea SILICEA 200 and the patient will benefit. In cases of all these remedies, as in the case of all homeopathic remedies, Proper choice of medicine depends on a careful study of the symptoms of the patient. Ask the patient to describe his experience. Simultaneously observe. Observe everything. Color of the eyes, temperature, color of the skin, nature of motions, digestion or lack of it. Then tally with symptoms as described in various videos. Thereafter make a selection. Normally there would be no failure. The patient would benefit. Such is the scope of homeopathy, which I experience every day. I give free suggestions to people and I get excellent results. I feel happy. They also feel happy. Thank you very much.